Hello friends, welcome to Vedam Mathematics classes. Okay, in this video I will explain you class 10th chapter triangle. Here I will explain you the theorem 6.8 where we get to know how to find the Pythagoras theorem, how to prove the statement of Pythagoras theorem. So this theorem is in a right triangle. So this is a Pythagoras theorem. 6.8 theorem is a Pythagoras theorem. In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. Okay. In this theorem, we know that in a right triangle, that simply means that the triangle is a right angle triangle. So, given क्या है? Triangle ABC right angled at B. Okay. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So in triangle ABC, if I say in triangle ABC, right angle at B, that simply means AC is a hypotenuse. Okay. So what I have to find? We have to prove that the square of the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is AC square is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. The remaining two sides will be AB square and BC square. We have to prove this. For this, to prove this theorem, we need a construction. And the construction is draw BD perpendicular to AC. Now let's see the proof. In the last video, I have explained you a theorem. If you remember this. If a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of the right triangle to the hypotenuse, then the triangles on both sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and to each other. Correct? So from this theorem, I can say why? Because you see there is a right angle, there is a 90 degree. This is the vertex 90 degree. From this we draw a perpendicular to the hypotenuse. So the same theorem. So what we will write? We will write it like we'll say that the smaller triangle, the two smaller triangle, that is this triangle and this triangle, are similar to each other and to the biggest triangle. So what do I write? Let me just write triangle ABD is similar to triangle. जब मैं ट्राइंगल ABD की बात करूंगी, ट्राइंगल ABD कौन सा है? ये वाला ट्राइंगल. किससे सिमिलर करूंगी? सबसे पहला केस मैंने आपको क्या बताया था? बड़े ट्राइंगल से. हमेशा छोटे ट्राइंगल को बड़े ट्राइंगल से सिमिलर करेंगे. ठीक है. इसमें एंगल A कॉमन है, मीन्स आई हैव टू फिल द थ्री ब्लैंक्स. एंगल A पे एंगल A ही आएगा बड़े ट्राइंगल के लिए, मतलब मुझे बड़ा ट्राइंगल से सिमिलर करना है. ठीक है. तो अब इसमें कौन सा वर्टेक्स किसको कॉरस्पॉन्ड करेगा वो हमें पता चलेगा. ट्राइंगल ABD में एंगल D जो है वो 90 डिग्री है और बड़े ट्राइंगल ABC में एंगल B जो है वो 90 डिग्री है. तो D जो है वो किसको कॉरस्पॉन्ड कर जाएगा? B को. एंड द रिमेनिंग विल बी C. दैट्स हाउ यू विल राइट. ठीक है. एंड फॉर दिस अनदर ट्राइंगल व्हाट वी विल राइट? विल राइट द बिगेस्ट ट्राइंगल एज इट इज एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट विल राइट द correspond vertex of the smallest triangle. Now see, बड़ा ट्राइंगल ABC और छोटा ट्राइंगल हमारा कौन सा हो जाएगा? BCD. इस ट्राइंगल की हम बात करेंगे, ट्राइंगल BCD. इसमें ये वाला एंगल बड़े ट्राइंगल ABC में कॉमन है, तो सी के कॉरस्पॉन्ड कौन आ जाएगा, सी आ जाएगा। छोटे वाले ट्रायंगल बी डी सी में 90 डिग्री हमारा एंगल डी पे बन रहा है और बड़े ट्रायंगल पे कहाँ बन रहा है, एंगल बी पे बन रहा है। तो एंगल बी जो है बड़े ट्रायंगल का एंगल बी स्मॉलेस्ट ट्रायंगल डी से कॉरस्पॉन्ड कर जाएगा। दूसरा ट्रायंगल हमारा बी डी सी था, उसमें सी डी हमने वर्टेक्स फिल करते तो रिमेनिंग क्या हो गया, बी। सो फ्रॉम दिस व्हाट वी विल गेट दैट ट्रायंगल which implies triangle ABD is similar to triangle BCD. ठीक है, why? The reason is what? The reason is the theorem, and the theorem says if a perpendicular is drawn so what the theorem is, if a perpendicular is drawn from vertex of right angle of right triangle to hypotenuse, then triangles on both sides of perpendicular are similar to whole triangle and to each other. Correct? By this theorem, by this statement, we can write that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ACB and triangle BCD is similar to triangle ACB. And on the basis of that, we will say when the two triangles are similar to the same triangle. See, these two triangles are same, and when the two different triangles are similar to the same triangle, then the two different triangles are also similar to each other. That's how we will write. Okay, correct? Now, I will prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay. Now see. Now. Since triangle ABD is similar to triangle ACB, therefore what we will say, AB by AC is equal to BD by CB is equal to AD by AB. Correct? Why? Sides are proportionate. Sides of similar triangles are proportionate. Correct? When they are proportionate, from these two, AB upon AC is equal to AD upon AB, which implies AB multiplied by AB is equal to AC multiplied by AD, which implies AB square is equal to AC multiplied by AD. I will make it as 1. Okay. Now, what we will say, since triangle BCD is similar to triangle ACB, therefore BC upon AC is equal to CD upon CB is equal to BD upon AB. Correct? We same. Sides of similar triangles are proportionate. So, from these two proportions, what we get, which implies BC multiplied by BC is equal to AC multiplied by CD, which implies BC square is equal to AC multiplied by CD. I'll mark it as 2. I'll mark it as 2. Now, what you have to do? Add 1 and 2। अब ये टेक केयर करना, स्क्वायरिंग एक साइड पे आनी चाहिए, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे या राइट हैंड साइड पे, दोनों एक ही तरफ होना चाहिए। इज इक्वल टू AC multiplied by AD plus AC multiplied by CD. Okay, now from these two terms we get AC as common, so we are left with AD plus CD. That simply means AC multiplied by, now in the figure if you see AD plus CD, see AD plus CD will be AC, so it will be replaced by, that this bracket will be replaced by C, so it becomes what, AC square. So that's how my case comes, that AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. That's what I have to show in the Pythagoras theorem, that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So that's how we will prove it, hence proved. So this is very easy theorem, but you have to take care of, correct? Now the next. Okay, now I will explain you the next theorem in the next video. Okay, so please be tuned with me for the next theorem, and if you really like the concept, the way of my understanding of my explaining, do share the video. Thank you so much for watching my videos.